this is another error. I'm trying to install Oracle 19C database. So if you see, you can see the error, unexpected error while executing the action. So the error is supported OS check. So it is not supporting the existing OS itself. So how to understand, how to resolve this issue? So just trying to duplicate this one, and let's try to understand which is this lineage. Okay. So to understand that, let's move to user, see sudo su minus, and then we'll have to just cat slash etc oracle. Okay, so it's Oracle Linux Server 8.6. So I'm trying to install 19.3 database on Oracle Linux Server 8.6. So there is some compatibility issue I can see. So how we can resolve this? So if you see the error message, this is the error message. That means it's not supporting the OS on which we're trying to install. So it's not a major issue. There is a workaround for it, and the first workaround we'll try is a simple workaround. So what we are gonna do is I'll cancel this. Okay, and then I'll move to the I'll just export cv underscore assume underscore distribution ID, that is TISTIT equals to OEL Oracle Enterprise Linux 7.8. Let's try if I think there is a compatibility issue with 8.6, because if you see what is the version we can see here, it's 8.6. So we are assuming, just trying to pull out the installation file, that it is Oracle Linux 7.8. So let me do this and then run the installer, and let's see if it allows me to go ahead or I get the same error. So let's wait. And let me drag this onto my screen. If you see now, yeah, it has resolved. So this is another solution for the error I was facing. So I think that helps you next time. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.